Promoting a dog breeding business requires a mix of ethical practices, community engagement, and strategic marketing efforts. Build a reputable brand. Establish your breeding business as reputable, ethical, and responsible. Highlight your commitment to breeding healthy, well-cared-for dogs. Quality breeding standards. Emphasize the quality of your breeding stock, highlighting health certifications, pedigrees, and temperament evaluations. Showcase your expertise in specific breeds. Professional website. Develop a professional website showcasing available breeds, breeding philosophy, testimonials, and care tips. Ensure it's mobile-friendly and optimized for search engines. Engage on social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to share adorable and informative content about your dog's breeding process and tips for pet care. Engage with pet communities and influencers. Network with veterinarians and pet professionals. Collaborate with local veterinarians, pet stores, groomers, and trainers. Their referrals can significantly boost your business. Attend dog shows or events. Participate in or sponsor dog shows, events, or community activities related to dogs. These events provide networking opportunities and visibility. Educate potential buyers. Offer educational resources, consultations, or guides on responsible pet ownership, breed-specific traits, and care requirements. Ethical advertising. Advertise responsibly, avoiding over-promising or sensationalizing. Emphasize your ethical breeding practices and commitment to dog welfare.